What's going on, guys? Welcome to this week's Gold and GJ weekly forecast. Super excited to dive into this one. The markets are looking good for next week. And guys, if you are not a subscriber, please click the button below and help me build this channel. Painfully slow, and every subscriber is highly appreciated. So, guys, let's jump in with gold. Let's get started here first. And then we'll jump over onto GJ. So let's clear the charts. Let's just remove these alarms as well. Yes, I do want to delete you. So currently on the monthly time frame, guys, we're bullish, of course, on gold on the monthly. But what can we see here? Price is still sitting around our zone of interest. Now, this zone here is the zone that we're looking for a weekly candle close to break, and it still hasn't broken yet. If a weekly candle closes below here, then we're going to be looking to test the monthly lows, as this level, when we jump on the weekly in the moment, is going to be the level that's going to flip the weekly bearish. So right now on the monthly, I'm not really seeing much in regards to candlestick confirmation. This one closed bearish. This one's stuck in consolidation. We're still bullish overall. So let's go down to the lower time frames and see what's happening. Okay, weekly time frame, guys. So we're on this flip zone here, look. So resistance, broke resistance, turned into support. Now, last week, guys, I was actually hoping towards the end of the week that we was going to get a candle close above this previous weekly high here. This would have set the tone bullish for this week, and it would have been very nice confirmation, actually. I was hoping for that last week. When I saw this reversal pattern here, I was hoping, just praying for a wick fill on the candle close above here. We got in some really nice buys as well, but price dropped back down into consolidation, which was annoying because this could have been a very nice buy. However, if we get above this zone here, and you'll see on the daily that this is actually the daily high, and the daily's bearish. So if this high breaks, that will flip the daily bullish. So then we'll have more of price action on our side. So we've got the 4-hour and the 1-hour bearish. So if those flip, we're going to be bullish on all time frames, and then it's all good time on buys. So at the moment, we're still weak. We're still bullish on the weekly. Got this rejection here, and we're still bullish on the monthly. So on the daily, what we got here? Price is stuck in this range here. You see it's consolidating a little bit. We've got the daily high and the daily low. So you can see here, look, if price breaks above here, you can see we've got this nice range to trade into. That will flip the daily bullish, 4-hour bullish, 1-hour bullish. So I'm waiting for that. That's what I was anticipating the end of last week. We're getting confirmation like this. I'll show you on the low time frame in a moment. But prices didn't have the strength to push up. So price, guys, is probably just going to keep fluctuating between, these highs and these lows until it decides which direction it wants to go. Let's say here, look, on the daily, if we get a close below here, I will look to take the short with the daily close as well, because for me, a daily close is a strong confirmation, and I can start anticipating then that we are heading bearish, and that the weekly is also going to close bearish. And they're the same here, with the daily high. If the daily high breaks, obviously flips it back bullish, then I'll be looking for price action to continue on the higher time frames and actually head up back to the highs. 4-hour, guys, what we got here? Start building the story a little bit more. Okay, 4-hour high, there we go. Very nice. Oh no, sorry, that's not the 4-hour high. This is the 4-hour high. There we go. So we're stuck in this 4-hour range here. This 4 hours bearish. You see, this is the 1-hour high. We'll cover that in a moment. If we do get a 4-hour candle close above here, I will be looking to trade to the 4-hour highs. Same with the 1-hour. This is the 1-hour high. So if the 1-hour, if we get a 1-hour candle close above here, then the 1 hour's flip bullish. We just got to remember that we're trading inside of a range, and price does behave a little differently inside of a range. However, we can anticipate that if this level breaks, then price is going to the high. We will take profits here. We have to wait for solid confirmation, a daily close or 4-hour close, break and retest or something, to then get back in a new entry here to continue with the buys, because we're in the range. So chances are, when we get to top of this range, price is going to tap that, bosh, head back to the lows here, and then maybe fake the low here, and then bosh, back to the highs. So we've got to anticipate that until we actually get that breakout confirmation. But remember, price can break out either way. And structurally, these are two very strong levels. This is a weekly flip zone. So if the weekly breaks here, then we've got a That's going to set the tone for, you know, bearish sells, you know, potentially all the way down to 1,800. And bullish again, if we can get above this daily high. I mean, look, we've got our targets up here. With all price actions on our side, guys, we'll be able to full risk this, trading back up to these levels here, 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 and here. So that's it, guys, really. Let's jump on the 1 hour. 1 hour here, look. Again, if we get a candle close above here, let me just delete some of these lines, a little bit messy. 1 hour close above here. You can see no candle close. We got in this buy here. Luckily, we had our TPs there, so we smashed profit on this trade. I was expecting this, but I was also expecting price to continue up to this 4 hour high, or at least this imbalance here, and it didn't do that. Went back into this consolidation. So our price is in this consolidation here. I'm not looking to, you know, trade any of this. Look, it's shit. You know, it's moving sideways, moving downwards, weeks everywhere. It is asking to be stopped out there. So what I want to see, guys, is a 1 hour candle close above here, or confirmation from here. I'm only looking to take a buy above or a buy below. The reason I'm only looking for buys, I know you're like 1 hour's bearish, 4 hours bearish, daily bearish. I'm expecting the market to go up. I'm expecting this level to hold until it does break. Then I'm looking for longer term sells. But while this level's holding on the weekly, I'm expecting price to shoot up. I'm expecting price to shoot up on the daily. And I'm expecting price to shoot up here. They've got a nice imbalance there as well. And if you're looking at sell opportunities from here, I mean, there's nothing. We've got this wick here. So, you know, technically we'd have to break underneath that wick. Then we've got this small little range here. You know, big imbalance. We don't really want to be selling into there inside a range. Now, if it was trending price action, then yes, of course, I'll be trading the sells. But we're stuck in a higher time frame range. So price could probably bounce from here back to the highs, bounce, 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 like playing ping pong. However, if this isn't respected and we break through here, and we start breaking through these lows, then of course, you know, and this we get daily confirmation there, and we start, you know, making resistance here. And of course, I'm going to be looking, you know, for sells down there. We need to be tactical and we need to be clever while we're trading inside this range. So that's it for gold, guys. Let's have a look at GJ now and see what's going on over here. Let's start on the monthly time frame, guys. Monthly time frame is looking pretty much the same as last week. We're bullish candle pushing up. It's all looking very, very nice here. Targets on GJ. We've got previous resistance here. We've got an imbalance field there. So put the targets on here just for reference. So let's put this one here, for example. Let's take it up to 177,500. Let's put it onto 177. Key level. Let's put this one here. And those two levels will do for now. So what can we see on the monthly? Bullish. Again, we broke out of this resistance level here on the last month's candle. I am still going to anticipate a retest. Now, if we start breaking the 1 hour and the 4 hour lows, then I will be looking for potential sells down to this level here. Anticipating we're going to get a bounce and a continuation from here. If not, I'll just be trading the continuations. But you just got to keep that in mind. As we're breaking out, the further price breaks out, the more chance it's got of retesting the zone that it broke out from. So, weekly time frame here. What we got? Again, bullish. See prices pushing. Now, I'm targeting the 177 level here. Let me just put that in. 177. I'm going to target this level here where price is pushing. And that's because it lines up with previous resistance here. Now, we've got support here, support stabbed in. We've got price pushed up here. So, I mean, it's going to be around this level where price is going to reject. So we're going to be expecting a bounce coming up to this level very soon on the lower time frames. We'll look at that as we jump down. So what we've got to look at here, confirmation candle. A lot of volume in the buys again last week. A lot of volume in the buys the week before, a lot of volume in the buys next week. So what we're going to be anticipating, you know, probably more volume coming in this week on the buys. So let's go down to the daily, start building the story. So what have we got here? We're sitting on, what key level are we sitting on here? We're broken through 175. You see, when we're just pushing out and out like this, you know, you can use the psychological levels on whichever pair that you're trading when you've got nothing to left to look at, you know, or you can go on the higher time frames and have a look, you know, at where price previously pushed to and where it might previously push to here. So if we look here, look on the lower time frames, what have we got? We're coming up to 176. So 176 on the lower time frame will be the next target here. If we break to 176, it will go to 177 and, you know, so on up through the levels to the higher time frame targets. So again, weekly bullish. Again, just looks like, again, weekly bullish on the price action and the candles. What we can expect here, maybe price to open up bearish, fill this imbalance here, continue to these highs. Daily, what have we got here? Again, I'd expect that as well. Look, so we've got the daily confirmation candle, Bosch up there. We've got new support created. Very, very nice. Bang. That lines up again with exactly what we'd expect on the weekly time frame. 4 hour, we've got here. I mean, 4 hour has actually formed the potential continuation pattern. We have got an imbalance down here, though, which again lines up with what was expected on the higher time frame. So if this continuation pattern doesn't play and it fakes, then we can expect price to come here, and this is where we're looking for buys. This is super clean price action as well. GJ is more what I'm leaning towards trading next week over gold. Gold stuck in a range. We've got mixed price action on there, some bullish, some bearish. GJ, super clean, all bullish. We're trending, we're breaking out. It's exactly what we want to see. A lot of volume, a lot of momentum. So for a continuation pattern here, look, candle close above these wicks. Beautiful. So our first level of support is here. Now, if price closes below here, then we can expect price to retest this resistance, turn into support here. That lines up with the higher time frame, and then take price back up like this, trade it back to the highs. This would be a nice trade. I would like this if price, didn't continue, because look, price is mid-range now. When price is mid-range, as I said earlier, the further the price pushes out, the less chance it's got of continuing, the more chance it's got of retracing. So price is mid-range here. Now, it could continue up. And if we do get confirmation, I will trade the continuation. I'm not going to miss out just because it might be a little bit lower probable. We'll just manage the risk accordingly. However, this is going to be an A+ zone for taking buys down here. And that is the zone that if we do get confirmation here, then we can whack on full risk. And we've also got a bigger range. Look at this. From there to here, we've got 100 pips. Very, very nice. So what I want to say on market open is for this area to hold like this. If we get, maybe it opens up a bit bullish, breaks down in here, consolidation in here. If we consolidate in here, then I'll be looking for confirmation to take buys. If we just push straight up and we miss it, then we push straight up and it misses it. It doesn't matter. We'll have to see. Maybe we'll get confirmation above here to continue taking buys, or maybe it'll fake this level, etc., etc. We just got to take it as it comes, level by level. 1 hour, what we're looking at here. I mean, again, it's looking very nice. Like it's broken up, it's retested. Price now that it's closed above these wicks here, these highs. So price looks like it wants to continue now, to these highs and break through and continue to these highs here. But let's see. I'm hoping personally that this fails and it doesn't continue so that it can give us a good entry. But look, it could also create a double top. So you see here, coming up, it could also just create this and then break down and come like this. That's more of what I'd expect here over just, breaking straight highs. But it can go either way. If this happens, then look, that's what we'll be looking at here. Boom, 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 buys, boom, back to the highs, boom, break the highs, like this. You see? Like clockwork. Super, super easy stuff. But let's see. Let's see what happens, guys. Let's say we might get a continuation straight from here. If price, for some reason, doesn't move, we're sitting on top of here. And we've got this nice range to trade into as well. Look. 40, 50 pips. So we could take this up. We could take this. We could take this. I'm not going to take the sell. You can take the sell if you want. I'll be looking for the buy here, the buy here, the buy here. That's what I'm looking for, guys, from market open for the next coming days. So hope you enjoyed it, guys. If you're not in the Discord, highly recommend that you get in. We live trading every single day. Links on the website. This is the free channel here. So the free link is on the website. Sorry. You can click on that link. Come to the results section here, and you can have a look, guys. Look at all the challenge passing that we're smashing almost every day. Live trading every single day. Again, more live trading, more count passive trading, count pass. It's just the beginning, guys. I'm actually launching a new program called the Funded Lab. I'm having some custom software built, guys, and this is an insane process. I'm going to post more information to the public about this next week. It's something that I've been building and selling to the community over the last couple of days. So next week, I'm going to have some visuals for this on the website. Start smashing that, getting people in there, etc., etc. So that's it, guys. If you've got any questions, post them in the live chat on the website. Apart from that, enjoy the rest of your weekend, and bosh, let's smash next week.